I've been so naughty.
It doesn't matter because Santa's dead!
Oh my god, okay. That I did not see coming, my god! Good evening, ghouls and goblins, and happy holidays if it's not too early or too late to say. You know us, you know we like a little side of scary with our merry, so tonight we're doing not one, but 2 holiday haunts. We've spoken before about how easy it is to get from Hera's Nightmare in Westminster, Maryland to Final Bell Haunted Schoolhouse in Hampstead, Maryland, and tonight we're gonna be practicing what we preach. Because these 2 attractions are sister haunts, there is a combo pass you can purchase, which will allow you into both attractions through the VIP and or Fast Pass lane. The only caveat is that as of right now, that combo pass has to be purchased on site. So we're starting here tonight at Hera's Nightmare, and it'll be on to Final Bell Haunted Schoolhouse shortly after. We are a little bit tight on time because of the abbreviated hours for the off-season event, so let's get moving. I'm Tim.
I'm Katie.
And we do things like this. Now we have done a deeper dive on both these haunted attractions earlier on in other videos, so if you want to see more of the behind the scenes, what goes into putting on these shows, and you should, because they do an amazing job. We'll link those other videos in the description and in the comments. However, tonight we're gonna be running and gunning, so we only have time for the scares. Now we have secured permission to film at both of these attractions tonight, but just be advised if you're coming here as a ticketed customer, not as a content creator who's arranged such things in advance, no filming, no photography, no flashing lights in the attractions. So here at Hera's we have 3 attractions, all Christmas themed. The first is Humbug Hollow, then we'll be straight on to Santa's Twisted Toy Factory, followed by Christmas Carnage, Krampus Returns. All right, away we go.
Humbug Hollow! Oh my god, it's so dark. Oh!
Hi, Jacob Marley!
I got Scrooged! Oh god! I thought that was a problem.
Okay, well done.
That's Tiny Tim!
If Scrooge doesn't change, I will never see another Christmas.
Oh no.
He's getting around pretty
That
good.
might not be the worst thing.
Goes to Christmas present.
Oh my goodness.
Woo!
Oh no, he's got a Santa hat.
Tiny Tim gets around.
Everyone.
I don't think God had anything to do with this.
I got it.
Whoa! Oh no. No thank you.
Oh my god.
You'll have to tell everyone Krampus is coming.
Okay, Krampus is coming.
Krampus is coming.
You will be dinner.
Christmas.
Oh!
It's tight. When he walks, he squeaks. Give me another drink.
No, this way.
This way.
God.
Oh, Christmassy.
It's
Very
so
festive.
Christmassy.
Whoa!
Oh no, the ghost of Christmas
Christmas future.
Or future. Dang
Future.
it. I went backwards.
Piggies everywhere.
Piggies.
Whoa, he's got Christmas lights. First one down, on to number 2. Santa's Toy Factory.
Ah, Santa!
Where you going? My elves are not working tonight.
Oh, find the
I
elves.
need help. I'm going to have to get a drink.
I'm so hungry and so busy.
Ooh.
Oh, Bubbles.
This is the right way, right?
Oh, look at this, I love this. He was not messing around.
He was not. Oh, what the heck?
I know, I love him. Isn't he the best?
Oh, there.
Oh no.
We're just gonna get quietly get by.
Oh no.
Woo! Woo!
You reached out syndrome.
Oh!
You're in control.
I'm not loving that.
The idea.
Oh no.
Oh, gosh.
Oh my god. What happened?
It's a jolly old elf.
I don't like this. I don't like it.
Oh my gosh, these hats. I love that.
Dun. All right. I think that's enough caffeine for you. I think we're the toys.
I think we're the toys.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
I don't think I like that.
Sucks.
Oh god, what is this?
Elves
on the prowl.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Oh,
Christmas.
crisis.
Yes.
Merry crisis. Or app. All right. Sorry. Time to go meet Krampus.
Yes.
Naughty children, slumber.
Oh god. Oh hey.
Have you been naughty or nice?
I've been so naughty.
It doesn't matter because Santa's dead.
Oh well.
Santa's dead.
Sound activated light.
A carrot? Do I take it?
Oh, is that because you're naughty or nice?
I don't know, but
That was awesome.
That was amazing!
Oh my God, not again.
Oh no!
Oh wow. Look at this again.
More snowing!
Oh, he's got tinsel. Oh, what a good boy. Oh my God. Whoa! That I did not see coming. Count Orlok.
Woo! A gingerbread man! Gingerbread man!
Oh God!
Scary.
What? What? Oh my God!
Woo!
Oh! It's the toy man! Oh God!
It's a
No!
nutcracker! It's a nutcracker!
Is that the gingerbread man again? Are you gingerbreading again? Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Hey! Woo! Oh my God! That last stretch was cray. As expected, Hera's Nightmare blew us away once again. Christmas event, Easter event, Summer Screams event, they're all good.
I really liked the Christmas Carol overlay in Humbug Hollow. The characters were very recognizable. Even the lady who buys Scrooge's sheets, I thought that was a great take. The very jolly elves in Santa's toy shop were hilarious, and that one was definitely very Christmassy themed as well. And then the last one was just kind of icons of Christmas being controlled by Krampus. It was very cool.
As much as we would love to stick around and maybe go through a second time, I think we do have to get moving because Final Bell is only open until 9 p.m. tonight, and it is, don't have a watch, but we're pretty late. So let's get moving on to the next one. You never know.
We have a few skin wrapping options. We have freshly peeled. Okay.
Okay.
And if you prefer an ornament, these make excellent stocking stuffers.
Now the combo pass actually works in both directions. We usually start our night with Hera's Nightmare because Final Bell Haunted Schoolhouse is a little bit closer to our home base north of Baltimore, which just makes for an easier commute home. But it's only a 12-minute drive from one to the other. So no matter which haunt you start with, it's gonna be a quick ride from one stop to the next. And we're on to haunt number 2 of 2. Let's do this. Welcome to the Final Bell Haunted Schoolhouse. This is its maiden voyage, its very first season operating here in Hampstead, Maryland. And the gimmick is it's a schoolhouse where teachers, students, etc. have been trapped in time and are haunting people that walk through it. For Christmas, we only have the one attraction, but it is a very well-themed attraction. It's called Christmas Slaycation. We're excited to walk through and see what's what. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Welcome to the Final Bell Christmas Slaycation. The students and faculty are ready for winter break.
Ho, ho, ho.
St. Lucia!
It's so pretty.
Have you done the reading?
Yes.
If you have, you'll be able to recite with me. 'Twas the night before
Christmas.
And all through the house, not a creature was stirring.
Not even a mouse. And I, my captain, just
I did my homework this
You did the homework!
Merry Christmas! It's Santa!
Be here after school. Oh, that lying little piece. I'm gonna have to get him. I know you're here. If you say anything, you're gonna be on the naughty list. You too, man. That's just an experiment. Just ignore that.
No, just ignore. Oh, look at this! Look at this pretty wreath. Oh, and this guy, very festive. Oh, the lighting is so good. Oh, Merry Christmas, my dude. Oh my God. Okay. Hi. That's my very favoriteest elf.
Enjoying your present.
Oh, there's one more. Looks around the bend. I don't think I want it.
Have you tried untested blood pudding and twice in it?
I don't think I want it.
Oh, Christmas! Give me a turkey!
Oh my gosh. Someone's throwing fruit. Turkey.
His dunce hat was replaced with a Santa hat.
Look, it's the little drummer boy.
Oh!
Wait, back up. I gotta get that. That's beautiful.
Oh my God!
What the heck?
Oh my God!
Hi.
I'm so scared.
That still works. Merry Christmas.
Well, what do we have here?
Mrs. Claus!
Students out of class without their homework.
But it's Christmas Slaycation.
He's making his list now.
Oh no, but it's Christmas. Oh, presents. What did I bring?
You broke it!
It looks fine. Oh, well, now it's broken.
Class has started. Where is your homework?
I thought it was Christmas Slaycation.
Where's your homework basket? Margaret, are we on Christmas vacation yet? No.
Margaret?
Class is still in session. Where's your homework?
He's over there now.
I don't think you should be coming down this chimney, Santa. I don't think it's safe.
Isn't there just jolly in here?
Holiday Road. Oh, God.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
My favorite elf. He's just excited because Santa's coming soon.
I can smell the gym over here.
Okay, all right. This is not where I saw myself 10 years ago.
Oh, are we going this way? Thank you.
We are but babes in Toyland. Uh-oh. Oh, my God. Hi. Oh!
Sugar plum fairy.
Are we heading towards the winter ball?
Oh, we got sugar plum
Wow.
fairies. Woo! Oh, it was
Wow. This is a whole production. Hi. Whoa. Oh, what you got there? You got a hand?
The sugar plum fairies have a different diet than I was expecting.
Well, yeah. It was tight, guys, but we did it. We made it to 2 haunts, 2 holiday haunts with shortened hours. So the combo pass, not only a very good deal, also incredibly effective. You can easily make it to both events in one night.
Absolutely.
As far as Final Bell's show, they did a phenomenal job, and I cannot stress this enough, you guys. If you have not yet been to Final Bell Haunted Schoolhouse, on season, off season, make it happen. They have done such an incredible job.
We just got to shout out Bliss for the costumes for this event.
Were incredible.
Incredible. Different looks than we've seen before. Just fabulous. Really enjoyed that. And just thanks to everyone for a great night. Just so much fun.
We have had an absolute blast at 2 different haunts. Now, granted, these are haunts where we've been before, we know people, we've filmed before, so it's great to see friends, but also, if you're coming as someone who's never been to either haunt before, this is an awesome way to experience both places. It's a crazy good deal, and if you're not taking advantage of it, I don't know what to tell you. You're not living your life right. We are gonna go ahead and pack it in, but thank you guys for joining us. We hope this video has been helpful, and we hope to see you at Hera's Nightmare and or Final Bell Haunted Schoolhouse in the weeks and months ahead. Until next time, guys, I've been Tim.
I'm Katie.
And every night,
A new adventure.
happy holidays. We will spook you again soon. Bye.